In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to GoDaddy Website Builder. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in as you normally would. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is where GoDaddy keeps your account options and access to the products connected to your account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the services and websites you currently have available. Take a moment to find the specific website you want to work on, especially if you manage more than one. Once you locate the correct website, click on it so you can access its settings and editing options. Next, choose Edit Website. This will open your GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes directly to your site, layout, and content. Wait for the page editor to load fully so everything appears correctly before moving on. Now that you're inside the editor, go to the page where you want the video to appear. Think about where the video will be most useful for your visitors. For example, you might place it in a section that introduces your business, explains a service, or highlights a product. Once you've decided on the location, click Add Section. After that, type video into the search area so you can quickly find the video section option. When it appears, click it to add that section to your page. As soon as you do that, the video section will be placed onto your website page and become available for editing. Once the section has been added, click directly on that video section. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see the settings panel for that section. This is where you can control how the video is added to your site. At this point, you'll have the option to either paste a video link or upload a video file, depending on the type of content you want to use. If your video is already hosted somewhere online, adding the link is usually the fastest method. If you have the video saved on your computer and want to use that version, choose the upload option instead. After adding the video, make sure it appears properly inside the section and fits the page the way you want. It's always a good idea to preview the page and confirm that the video looks clean and professional for visitors. And that's how to add video to GoDaddy Website Builder.